Yo guys, good morning guys. So today is Wednesday and I'm looking to buy EURCHF. I already have a buy limit set at this point. I'm looking to buy EURCHF from this level all the way to the upside, guys, and I'm going for just 1:3. As you guys can see, I've shared this trade on my free Telegram group, and this trade is on the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you guys my entry first on my MT5. So as you guys can see, this is my entry on my MT5, and if you've watched last week's episode, you know that this is the account balance from last week. Everything is transparent over here, right? And if this trade should go against me first, I'm losing $24.49, approximately $25. That is around 0.5% of my account. And if this trade should go in my direction, I'm making around $78 dollars, right? So let's just say everything is going to go. And of course, I've shared this trade on my free Telegram group. As you guys can see, today is Tuesday morning. This is 8:48 a.m, right? This is London session. So let us see what is going to happen today. I'm going to keep you guys updated. If you want to join this free Telegram group, the link is in the description box of this video. Let's go. Yo guys, so that trade on EURCHF should be the first trade for the week. So once the market just taps into my buy limit, I'm going to record and then keep you guys updated, right? So of course, it's a beautiful morning. Of course, so you guys can see my face. I haven't even taken my bath. I just opened my phone and then I was like, fine, this setup actually fits my plan. It fits what I'm actually looking for in the market. So I took the trade, regardless of the losses I've been taking back to back. Once I see my setup and it fits my plan, I just take it and I let the market do what it wants to do. Loss, fine, my risk is calculated. Win, fine. Let's just see what the market is going to do on EURCHF. We hope for a better week. Peace out. Yo guys, so this is a trade on EURCHF. As you guys can see, this trade is currently on profit. This trade is currently on profit, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to show you guys the profit I'm currently making on my MT5. So you guys, so this is my MT5, as you guys can see. So this is the profit I'm currently making, right? And this is everything. We still have a long way to go when it comes to the take profit, but of course I'm going to hold this trade all the way to take profit, all the way to stop loss. Anyone? Well, so that's the trade on EURCHF. I'm going to keep you guys updated. If this trade should keep on pushing to the upside, I'm going to update you guys. If this trade should reverse or hit stop loss, I'm also going to keep you guys updated. So let's go. Yo guys, so as you guys can see, this is the trade on EURCHF. As you guys can see, this is the trade on EURCHF. Today is Wednesday, and yeah, Wednesday morning, and this is how the trade currently looks like. The trade looks promising. That's gonna hit take profits, because I love what I'm seeing, right? The market actually pushed up from here. We had a little pullback. The market pushed all the way up. We had another pullback, and I think the market is going up to form another high, then probably another pullback before final TP. But the market can still reverse. This is not the first time I've seen setups do like this and then reverse, which is normal. So yeah, let's just say everything is going to go. I'm going to keep you guys updated, but before that, make sure you've joined the free Telegram group. The link is in the description box of this video. Let me show you guys the profit I'm currently making on my MT5. So as you guys can see, this is the profit I'm currently making on my MT5. Everything is transparent. I'm not hiding anything. Here is my take profit level, $77, and yeah, you guys have seen everything. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. If this trade should go all the way to take profit, we have a good week. You understand me? We have a good week. But if this trade should reverse, then we just keep pushing, guys. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let's go. Yo guys, so this is another trade on AUDNZD. As you guys can see, I'm looking to buy AUDNZD at this level. Once the market just taps into this level, I'm looking to buy AUDNZD all the way to the upside. And as you guys can see, I always go for my 1:3. You understand me? So this is the entry on my MT5. If this trade should go against me, I'm losing just $24, approximately 0.5%. Then if this trade should go in my direction, I'm making around $74 approximately. So let's see how the market let's see what the market is going to do with AUDNZD. I'm going to keep you guys updated once the market taps into my limit. And this is the trade on EURCHF. I'll keep you guys updated, just like I said. Join the free Telegram group. The link is in the description box. Let's go. Yo guys, so this is the trade on EURCHF. As you guys can see, we smashed take profit on this particular trade. So you guys can see it's a 1:3 trade, right? So let me show you guys the profit I made on my account for today, right? So as you guys can see, this is the profit, full TP hit, right? So yeah, join the free Telegram group, and then I'm currently waiting for this one on AUDNZD, right? Currently waiting for this one. Let me show you guys the chart. Let me show you guys the chart on AUDNZD. AUDNZD. So yeah, so this is the chart setup, and then I've sent this trade on my free Telegram group. To join my free Telegram group, the link is in the description box of this video. So join the free Telegram group, and yeah, so that you can see my trade. But mind you, that group is not a signal group. You understand? That group is not a signal group. It's just a group that I share my trades. You understand me? So don't get anything wrong, right? It's not a signal group. I just share my trades there. If the way I trade and the way you trade, if the way I trade is similar to the way you trade, and then you're seeing same thing that I'm saying, then you can take the trade. But don't just take the trade like that. You understand me? It's not a signal. So that's just it. So join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box. So one TP for this week. Let's see how this trade is going to go. Even though this trade should go against me, I'm just down 1 hour, and then I made 3 hours, so I'll be up 2 hours for the week. But if this trade should go all the way to my direction, that is 1:3, I'll be up 3 hours, and then I made profit of 3 hours on EURCHF, that is 6 hours combined. Let's just see. This week is already profitable. I already have a profitable week, so let's see how everything goes. Keep you guys updated. Let's go. Yo guys, so at this point, when I was screen recording this particular clip, I didn't know that my microphone wasn't on, like my recording microphone on my iPhone wasn't on. So I'm currently using voiceover here. But what I was actually explaining here was what I was actually saying here is that the market has mitigated my buy limit, right? The market has tapped into my buy limit, and we are currently on profit. And then there is news on AUD, and there is news on NZD. There's news on AUD around 3:40 a.m. and then there's news on NZD by 4 a.m. So the plan here was that I'm going to hold the trade, right? Whether the market goes against me or goes in my direction, I'm going to hold the trade throughout the news. I'm not going to take partials, and I'm not going to go break even. So that was just what I was saying here, right? So that was what I was just saying here. So let's just pass forward here and then just go to the main part. Let's go. Guys, so as you guys can see, this is the trade on AUDNZD, and as you guys can see, the market, we are currently on profit on this trade. Now you guys might be asking that why are these box here, right? Why are these rectangles here? Right? So as you guys can see, this is a very key area, right? When the market broke out of this area, I noticed that there was a resistance level here, and I know that market is going to come to retest this resistance. I'm not a support of resistance trader, but I understand my key areas and my key levels, so I know where markets normally do react from. So I understood that market broke out of this resistance. I was expecting a retracement to this resistance and then another push to the upside. Now market has come back to this resistance, and then we've seen reaction from this resistance and then a little push to the upside. Now I also understood that market is actually at another resistance on the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see, this is another resistance. Market push from this place, is pushed down, came back again for the second time, pushed down, came back again for the third time, pushed down, came back again for the fourth time, and then it's trying to push down again. So what am I currently seeing in this market? Since we broke out of this resistance, over here, and then we came to retest this same resistance, and then we pushed to the upside, meeting another resistance. What am I expecting? I'm expecting a retracement, right? And then a break. If we should break above this strong resistance, right, we'll be having something like this, and then another push to the upside. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a break of this resistance, right, and then a retracement to test this resistance again, and then a very big push to the upside. So that, guys, that's what I'm just seeing in this market currently. So let me show you guys the profit I'm currently making on my MT5. I haven't marked out that resistance level on my MT5. As you guys can see, I currently marked out the resistance level. So this is the buy limit. You are just like few pips away from my take profit. So, or some pips away from my take profit. So guys, this is the profit I'm currently making. This is the current account balance, and then this is a trade from yesterday. So transparency is everything. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. That's just a simple analysis. Let's see how the market is gonna play out. Join my free Telegram group. The link is in the description box of this video, and I'll catch you guys up in the next clip. Let's go. Yo guys, so as you guys can see, this trade has smashed take profit over here. As you guys can see just now, the trade just smashed my take profit. So if you watch closely the last clip before this particular clip, right, I told you guys that I was expecting something like a pullback and then a break, but then I said a retest of this resistance and then another push to the upside. But as you guys can see, the market pulled all the way up, but it didn't come to retest. It just went all the way straight to my take profit. But the market can still react from this resistance and then keep pushing all the way up. But for this week, we have two TPs, right? We have two TPs. So let me show you guys the P&L for this week. Yo guys, so this is the current account balance first, and then this is the P&L for this week, right? So as you guys can see, this is the P&L for the week. We have two take profit on EURCHF. So we have one take profit on EURCHF and then another take profit on AUDNZD. So guys, this is the current account balance. So I'm down just around 3% of the account. From next week we come again and then we hit the market again. For this week, all these two trades I shared here on this, I took here on this account. I shared it on my free Telegram group. Remember that free Telegram group is not a signal group. It is not a signal group. But if you want to see my trades, just join the free Telegram group. If you want to receive updates on the account and everything, just join the free Telegram group. The link is in the description box of the video. And then say hi to me on Instagram. Right? Also follow me up on Instagram. I really appreciate it, guys. So yo guys, so this week I made 3% of the account, so approximately 3% of the account. This is the P&L for the week. And yeah, so I'm just down 3% of the 3% on the account. So with just two trades, I was able to make 3% of the account, meaning that next week my goal is just to take just two trades, and if they end up being a winner, right, I'm not going to trade next week again. I'm not going to trade again. Once I just take two winning trades next week, I'm done trading next week, because my goal for next week is just to get back break even on the account. But regardless, anything the market has for us next week, we are going to chest it. So yeah, make sure you're building your track record with DarwinX. I've talked about DarwinX, and yeah, only few people have shown interest in DarwinX. This is my DarwinX account. I'm already up 3% on my DarwinX account. If you don't know what is DarwinX, DarwinX is actually an asset managing company whereby they connect traders, right, with investors. Investors that are willing, to fund them. But this funding is not just it's not just free, because if it's free, everybody will jump into it. You understand me? It's actually a paid service. That's, you pay a monthly fee in order for you to access that next platform. You understand me? The monthly fee is 38 euros per month. But with my link, that's my referral link that is in the description box of this video, you're going to be getting 20% off, and then you're going to be getting the account for just 30 euros. Now on DarwinX, you start building your track record, and then you also have access to investors' funds. You understand me? Imagine you're trading with DarwinX for the next for the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and then maybe you're looking for investors, like physically. Maybe you met an investor, or maybe you travel out and then you met an investor, and then he's asking you for maybe your track record, or maybe just asking for track record to see your performance so far, and then you don't have a track record. So if you've been trading with DarwinX just like me, I'll just go to my DarwinX dashboard and then just pull out my track record and show the investor, and then the investor is going to see all the trades I've taken on my account, and then my growth, everything. You understand my performance. Let me just put it that way. So make sure you are with DarwinX. This is my DarwinX account. I'm already up 3% on the account. So register on DarwinX and start building that track record while accessing investors' capital. And mind you, there is no minimum there's no limit to the amount of capital you can get from investor. All you just need to do is just to register on the platform with the link in my description box, to get 20% off, and then start trading the normal way you trade. Now, the better your performance, the more allocation, that's the more money you're going to get, the more investors you're going to attract. You understand me? Because investors, once they see that your performance is good, you understand me, they love what they are seeing. They will love to work with you. Let me just speak that way. They will love to work with you. So start building that track record now on DarwinX. Make sure you register. The link is in the description box of this video. If you want to know more about DarwinX, so you aren't convinced to join DarwinX, just message me on Telegram or say hi to me on Instagram. All the links are in the description box of this video, and I will catch you guys up next week.